It's pretty hard to describe just how gross and dirty the grout is on my kitchen floor. This is about 10 years of dirt and grime buildup. So today, I'm going to show you a ridiculously easy way to clean this off. And the best part is, it's not going to take that long. So I'm going to show you my method here and then stick around to the end of the video for a shocking reveal of what the floor looked like before and after. And as well, I'll let you know how long it takes to clean the grout on 100 square feet of tile floor. So in order to really cut down the time and make this an easy job, I went ahead and ordered this little brush kit from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It comes with 3 different attachments that can easily fit into your drill. I like this little one the best for cleaning the grout. These other 2 attachments here, I mean, there's endless possibilities for these things. I'm excited for what the future holds here. If you don't have a drill and you want to just go old school, you can use a brush, like a hand brush. And then in terms of a cleaning solution, we head down to the laundry room and grab some OxiClean. OxiClean is an amazing product for laundry stains, and as it turns out, also amazing to clean grout. So in order to mix this OxiClean up, you want to dissolve it into some warm water. I did some experimenting with the directions on the back. You can pretty much stick to that. It works great, but I kind of found that going double the amount of OxiClean made things a little better. Not much, only marginal, but I'm going to stick to double the amount of what's recommended on the back. And that works out to be about 10 milliliters per cup of warm water. So once you get that together, just mix it all up. Once we get our solution all mixed up, just go ahead. I like to put it on with a paintbrush. Keeps it a little neater. If you get one of these little brushes here, you can just use that as well. But the paintbrush is slightly neater. You don't want to get this everywhere. Just get it in the grout areas that you're going to be cleaning. So paint that on. So once you get that all painted on there, go ahead and let that sit for anywhere between 5 to 20 minutes, depending on how stubborn the stains are. You've seen how bad my floor is. It's been working great just letting that sit for 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes, break out the drill with a little brush, and you want to go over each of the grout lines about 3 or 4 times. You don't have to get crazy, but you definitely don't want to just do it once. And then once you've gone over that, take like a wet cloth or a rag and just wipe that up. Then I'm going to take like a dry tea towel and wipe that up. And then I'm going to rinse the cloth out and then give that one more wipe up. But when you get the cloth in there, just give that extra little bit of a scrub and wipe, getting any of the last bits of dirt out of there. Give that a little dry off. So yeah, I rinsed that a couple of times and now let this dry. It's not going to look overly clean while the grout lines are all still wet, but we'll have a look at this in about 20-30 minutes when they dry out. So this little section here is all dried up. It looks tremendous. I mean, the difference is glaring. It turned out great. It's nice and even all the way along. So now to do the entire floor, that took me about 70 minutes. So if you're going to do like a bathroom, it's only going to take you about a half an hour. And then once you get that grout all cleaned up, you're going to want to go ahead and seal it so that it stays that way. If you want to know the best way to do that, check out this video right over here. We'll see you over there. Thanks for watching. Product for laundry stain, as it turns out, we try one more time. Whatever, I think we got it. We can always shoot that part again.